Hi there, Marsha Weisletter here with a quick tip. If you're considering booking an exclusive virtual classroom session for your team, well, let's talk about how we prepare for the session. First, we schedule a consultation call so we can determine your overall expectations for the workshop and learn more about the participants that will be attending. Then we customize the workshop and we only focus on the objectives that are most relevant for your team. And finally, we can discuss any proprietary issues in complete confidentiality because no outside companies are attending. So there you have it, consultation, customization, and confidentiality. If you want to learn more about this, please contact one of our customer service representatives at 1-800-223-2209, and that is my tip of the day.